Hello everyone, I'm Pihu Verma and it's going to be all about me. Ever since my early years of schooling, I've been a lot into computers, knowing lately that I've almost spent 2.5 years of my life learning how to code and program. I'm well versed in HTML and CSS and I'm presently learning Java. I've always had ideas on how to make my own apps, websites and one day have my own company. I usually sit alone to think of the advancement that is possible and never forget to pen it down. Combining with the ideas and skills need to make the things you never thought were possible. You can start from knowing absolutely nothing to creating apps, leaving behind an advanced world for people to fathom. Vast part of my studies happens on social networking site and World Wide Web, from noting down the points to grasping all the important things I feel. I believe in the total understanding of a subject before taking it as a core one in our senior years. As it is said, hard work beats luck, and I put a lot of hard work in the things I love to do and enjoy doing. I am competitive, aim-attained, sporty and obviously ambitious girl. And I believe that these qualities of mine will help me become a successful entrepreneur one day. I am more of a teamwork and an easy-going girl. Besides my core interest in programming and coding, I love to write poems and read novels. Being part of the launch program is a great opportunity and an honor, and I want to grasp each and everything from it possible for making and paving my way towards a bright and colorful future into the world of entrepreneurship and advancement. Thank you.